is Robin and this is my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. We have, I think it's close to 70 today, so it's a beautiful sunny day here. And I'm so excited because I got my Therabox, which is a great lifestyle box for this type of weather. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I don't know how you got here, but I'm glad you have. And if you like this video and content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. It means so much to me that you're loyal to my channel. So let's get into this. I'm not sure if I got this box. Cratejoy was having like 30% off on everything, and so I just went crazy because there's great deals. So I'm not sure what I paid, but as always, I will leave a link with a I think you can get 10% off your first box unless they have a better offer. And so I will leave a link for the Cratejoy Therabox and how much I paid for it. So let's get into it. It already dropped out. So the pamphlet says rejuvenating. So this is going to be good. Let's social. Snap a photo of you with your Therabox. Tag us on Instagram at mytherabox and win a free box. One winner announced on Instagram monthly. So that is really nice. I think I do that anyway. I'll take a picture of my box and then always let them know when I unbox. So, I'm not sure what that first thing is. Pillowcase, robe and hood. If you can see right there. And it's a beautiful gray color. Hopefully it will fit me, then I'll definitely keep it. If it doesn't fit me, one of my girls will be receiving this. So let's get into it. Of course, it's got the cardboard. It looks like it's a short robe, which is fine for out here. It's got nice sleeves, the belt. So, let's see what size it is. I don't know. I'm sure it's somewhere, but it looks like it might fit me. And it says, Namaste in bed. And it's got the eyelashes. Can you see that on there? How adorable is this robe? So yeah, this is a keeper and hopefully it will fit. I have been gaining quite the pounds, so I need to get them off. And it's got a card, but it doesn't say what size it is. Then the next thing in the box is 07 Warm Up Nutmeg and Glararum Moisturizing Body Oil. I think in every box we've been getting, there has been a moisturizing oil. And I don't know anybody who doesn't use them, but I really do like them. So I'm not going to open it and smell it because, as I said, I have a couple that are already open. So I'll put this to the side. The next thing is Luxo. The Midnight Pine Scented Candle is crafted from a delicate mix of tangerine and rose with undertones of musk and pine. Okay, how bad do I want to smell this candle? Again, I never say no to candles. Comes very nicely packaged with my favorite bubble wrap. And look at this container. I think I got one similar to this with this wrapping, but this is really nice, especially for a guest bathroom. It smells heavenly. I will definitely be working on this one next. And the next item in the box is Gommage Exfoliating Gel. I didn't know where I heard this. Somebody else had opened something like this in their box. And an exfoliating gel just sounds so nice and relaxing. This is what it looks like. And it eliminates dead skin. So I am definitely going to try this evening and see how that works. I have to ask you guys a question. I used the Huda Beauty palette with orange tones in it on my eyes today. And I keep looking in the camera and I just feel like it's way too orangey and it looks like somebody punched me in the eye and they're all red. So let me know what you think. I thought it might match the shirt I had on, but I don't know. So I know you guys are honest, so let me know in the comments below. The next thing is Day Nutrient Booster Serum. And again, we have been getting a lot of booster serums. So I don't know where I'm at on my stash. You apply a small amount to cleansed face prior to facial serum or other moisturizer. Oh, so I guess you can use another serum with this? Okay, have to give that a try. And, okay, this is the best thing in the whole box. It's a 2020 calendar. Looks like a little pocket calendar. It slides in somewhere. But look what is on the calendar. As you know, if I comment on one of your videos, I leave a couple cactus. People probably think I'm crazy. And if you comment on my video, I leave a couple cactus. And I rate my boxes by cactus. So this is just too adorable. And it is not going anywhere. I'm loving that. The next thing in the box is by Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. So it is eye masks, anti-wrinkle and energizing eye masks. And there are 12 pairs of eye masks in here. I do have some I'm working on, but I will definitely get to these eye masks. And I think there's something else in the box. This is such a terrific box. It is definitely a great lifestyle. 5 minutes a day, finally conquer your mornings. And it's an accountability. I don't know exactly what's inside without opening it, so I hope I like it. But it's a beautiful book. I bet you Kristen of Moments of Sanctuary, she's probably eyeballing this book right now because it's a beautiful cover. But, oh, there we go. It's got a card, Habit Nest. Oh, it looks like a sticker. And Conquer Your Morning. So it is maintaining balance, addressing hard days ahead. So it is a super book. And then it shows you how to do your journal pages. Wow. And you can write in the book. So it's definitely your journal book. So it says the morning, you can see on there. What a great book. And there's some ratings. So in the back, there's some stuff to write on. So it's great. You can put what you eat. You can put if you exercise. So it is definitely a personalized journal for you. So this is a terrific item to have in the box. So that is everything that came in Therabox this month. And let's see if it's got what's in there. So it's got the, I don't think it gives prices. It's worth, this box retails for $210. And it shows that it's got the exfoliating gel, and it's got the Namaste in Bed silk robe, the booster serum, moisturizing body oil, the Grace and Stella eye masks, the soy wax candle, the mini desktop calendar. Oh, it kind of folds. I don't know if you can see that. It like sits on your desk. How great is that? And the book, the journal. So you can save 20% off if you wanted to buy the exfoliating gel again. So it doesn't put the retail price. Oh, I'm sorry, it does. So start again. Okay, so the prices, the retail prices of these items are: the exfoliating gel retails for $36, and I think that is a full size, it's a full size gel. The bathrobe retails for $39, and it does tell you where you can buy all these items. The booster serum retails for $34. The warm up moisturizing body oil retails for $32. I'm gonna relax here. The under eye masks retail for $21.95. The wax candle is $15, and the desktop calendar is $5. And the book is $29.90. And if you're interested in buying this book, I can leave the link where you can go and purchase one of these books. So I thought this was a great box. I know I'm going to use a lot of products in this box, so it isn't a waste. I do also have a Mercari site and then Poshmark, where if there's something that I really don't like, I will put it on there for a pretty reasonable price. So please check out my Poshmark and my Mercari site. Let me know what you think. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.